Hey guys, it is Free It Friday here in West Virginia, and today we're unboxing this sweet Mini GT LBWK R35 with the Silhouette Works kit on it. But what's sweet about this piece, not only is it white to go with my night white Nissan fad that I have going on right now, but it is the counterpart or the matching part to their drift car, their S15. So now I have both of them. I was really worried that I missed this car because I seen them for sale like at a high price, like 40 bucks a pop on eBay for the past month or two. Even seen them being listed in the Philippines on some of their shopping apps from China at a higher price. So I thought I missed it, but luckily I didn't. So I got it for your average retail price of 15 bucks. It may be slightly high, but that's okay. It's much better than paying 40 or 50 bucks. So we got one, and today we're unboxing it. And I want to show you one thing really cool that I just noticed on this Miho blister pack Mini GT car. They may have done it previously to this one, but I don't know. But how everybody was complaining about how they put the holographic sticker on the blister pack. They're not doing that nowadays. What they're doing is they cut a hole in the cardboard insert and they show you the back side of the box. So now the back side of the box will house your UPC code, your licensing for Nissan and TSM model, and the holographic sticker, of course. And it has all these other details here on the box, but they just wanted to have the holographic sticker on the collector box for the collector. I'm not sure who decided to do this, if they just heard a bunch of collectors like myself mentioning this in the video. A lot of people cut these out and tape them to the box because they open them and blah, 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 and such, or if it was part of their design team's ideas. Not saying that it was my idea and I'm taking credit for it or anything like that, but this is a great idea. This is really cool. It's another thing like Hot Wheels RLC does. That way you can see like both sides of your car and everything. So great idea from them. So we're going to open this. I already cut it open like a garage door as usual with the box cutter. And flip that up. As you can see, it's cut out pretty cool. Take the box out and we'll go over the box together. And let me get the car out of there so he doesn't flop around and break or something horrible like that. So, throw the blister pack to the side. So, anyways, so this is going to be like your regular release. And I think the box matches the box of the regular release. I could be wrong about that, but I'm not sure on that. And I was just getting the pack again to show you. This one is numbered. It is limited to 1 of 5,400 Miho exclusive. But they did make an international release of it in the wrapped box. So like the vacuum sealed, like saran wrap boxes that they have for the international release. So you have a bunch of them out there, not just these 5,500 for Miho. Same car, the box may be different, but it may not be now. It just may be that blister pack. So now you have your holographic sticker on these boxes, which is pretty cool. And on the back side, you have your licensing stuff. UPC states that this is LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT-RR version 1 LB Racing RHD right-hand drive. Version 1, because they do have a second style wing on these vehicles, or on this kit, the Silhouette Works, so that's maybe why they're calling version 1 version 2. And as usual, you get the regular international release tray as if it would have been sealed in the box, even in the Mihos where the car is exposed on top. So, and then on the front, you have a picture of the actual die cast. And the name of the car, LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTRR LB Racing. That end cap has LB Liberty Walk. This end cap has Mini GT, scale 164. Top side, collector number 528. Where to find Mini GT online, Facebook, Twitter, and IG. And then you have your age recommendation stating that's a collector's model, that it's for people 14 and older, and one main reason it shouldn't be in the hands of little kids because it has small parts they can choke on and blah blah blah. So that is it for your box. Now moving along to this sweet diecast car. So this kit is the same exact kit that was on our black and red LBWK that we did the other week. But as I said, the paint job is done to match the paint job almost exact to the S15. So as you can see, it has that lightning bolt graphic, number 23, and then it has that 5X under the 23, and there are some differences. Like there's not as many co-sponsors on the R35 as there are on the S15, and the wheels are different too. But anyway, still not bad looking thing. And then that's like the R35 that is done in the red and black that I showed you the other week. They have the ER34 done up in that, and I think they even did an ER34 with this paint scheme too, or this wrap I should say. Okay, as you can see, the roof is painted black, and it does have rubber mirrors. They're a little bit durable, but still yet be careful. It has the, what I like to call TRD style wing, not that big wide wing that looks like an IndyCar wing that I showed you on the other silhouette kit that we unboxed with the rollback Isuzu. So this has the original, as I say, version 1 kit style wing, but it does have a ducktail wing like they all do in the Silhouette Works kits. Nice looking hood. Number 23, LB Racing, acrylic headlight lenses, and as you can see, the gauge pod and dome is on the right hand side, so it definitely is right hand drive, and you can see the steering wheel down in there and such. And it has an intercooler that is nicely detailed in silver, the nice looking grille to GTR emblem, the canard spoilers or wings, whatever you like to call them, right there. The chin spoilers that are separated, or at least they're a little bit longer on the ends than they are in the center. And nice detail with the graphics and the livery to match the S15. Red acrylic taillight lenses and such. And and then zooming in, trying to get you a better look at some of the stuff here, and it says Sphere Light, and on the bottom of the spoiler it has LB Silhouette Works, and on the top it says Liberty Walk. So pretty sweet. An LBWK Liberty Walk plate, Liquid Molly co-sponsor stickers on the rear bumper cover. You can see the air diffuser with the dual exhaust tips on each side. Treaded rubber tires. This chassis is slightly detailed, and it is metal. It is held down with button head Phillips screws. So that is your R35 number 23 to be the counterpart to the actual drift car. So pretty sweet. And the drift car has Mini GT logos on it, along with the Liquid Molly on the rear bumper cover. and such. So Liberty Walk on the bottom side, and then there's some numbers on the top side. So this one we already did an unboxing on. If you want to see the full unboxing on this car, go to my library of videos. This was just done a couple of weeks ago with the Miho blister pack style thing, and then we have another unboxing of the one that's an international that just is in the sealed box from last year, if you want to see that one. So be sure to tune in and watch those ones, and then I will be back again over the weekend with some other videos for you guys. I'm not sure exactly what yet, but be sure to tune in. We'll be back on Saturday or Sunday to show you guys something else. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your weekend.